Hi everyone. This tutorial for the Two Birds in a Garden is on the leaves. This project has a lot of leaves, and it does make the project. Maggie has it all mapped out for you. On one of the pattern pages, she has the flowers. You'll see the flower guide. She tells you the length of each stem on each of the flower bunches of flowers. She tells you where to place each leaf. She's got them numbered, so she's got it mapped out perfectly for us. I'm going to show you how I did one of mine, and I'm going to show you what I did wrong. Remember, I told you to keep them labeled. Well, when I cut this one out, I cut it going the wrong way. This is this leaf right here, the biggest leaf down in the bottom right-hand corner of the project. It should curve up and in. Mine is curving down and out. I'm still going to use it because when I place it there, it will place onto the piece just fine. And I'm happy with it. What I do, on some of the leaves, they have veins. Some of them don't. Some of the leaves are cut from pear, and the veins are army. Some of them are cut from pear window pane, which is a little darker, and then they have pear in the center. So follow Maggie's guide because it makes a difference in the coloration. So if you want what she's got, then follow her coloration to the letter. What I did was I just freehand cut about 1/8 of an inch thick the vein to go down the center of my leaf. And I took dark brown thread because I wanted it to show up, and I made X's going down the center of mine. That's how I stitched mine to my leaf. You can use a hidden stitch, a slip stitch, you know, whatever, something that does not show, or you can do something where it shows. And I wanted mine to show, so I'm hoping you can see that. There's a lot of leaves. Just keep plugging away at it and make sure you place them in their proper home. And it's a beautiful piece. The leaves, the leaves and the flowers, I just love them. Something that I didn't cover in the flower head tutorial was that I did do some embroidery stitches when I finished. It was after I sewed them to the background. I decided they needed a little something extra, so I did some French knots. You could do X's, you can do, I did some spider veining a little bit. So you can decorate them up how you want. You can leave them plain if you want. So just kind of play with it a little bit. All right. We will catch you in the next video.